Hi, Kinder friends. This is Mrs. Orozco, and I'm here to help you with science today. So today for science, we're going to be looking at texture. Do you see that word? Let's say it together one more time. Texture. That's right. And so what is texture? Well, friends, texture means that when you touch something, it feels a certain way. Sometimes when you place your hand on an object and you move it back and forth like this, it is very easy to move back and forth. It can slide easily. And sometimes it's very hard to move it back and forth. It doesn't do so as easily. Now, we also have words that describe what the texture is. One of those is rough. When you touch something that is rough, it is not very easy to move your hand across it so smoothly. Another word is soft. That means that when you touch it, it is very soft to the touch. You feel it soft. And finally, we have smooth. Smooth means that your hand can glide over it, and it doesn't have as much friction. And we have another one, maybe. You know this one. Bumpy. Yeah. So when you touch something that has a lot of bumps on it and you feel on top of it, kind of like your knuckles, right? It's bumpy. Can you do that? Yeah. So I have some objects here that I would like for you to help me with and deciding what their texture is. Ready? Come on. All right, friends. Here I have 3 objects that we're going to use our hands to feel the texture of it. So first one up is we have this here. And I'm going to put my hand over it, and you're going to tell me what you think it is. Did you hear that? Well, if you notice, the surface is not very smooth. It actually feels a little bit rough to the touch. And you can hear that friction. Yeah. Next up, we have our friend Mabel. Hi, Mabel. So we're just going to touch the back of her head here. Do you hear that? Yeah, the less noise you hear, the softer or smoother something is going to be. So I would say that this is very smooth and soft to the touch. And our last object we have here is this border. So I'm going to grab a little bit of the border, and I want you to listen in. Oh yeah. Did you notice how my hand didn't smoothly go over? It kind of stopped. Yeah, that's because look at all these ridges that it has. It has actual bumps. Do you see that? They're actual bumps, friend. So this is bumpy. This is not smooth. Thank you for helping me figure out what texture those 3 objects had. So we had a texture that was rough, soft, and smooth, and also because texture is a physical property, I want you to go around your house and do a scavenger hunt. So we are going to be looking for items around your home or wherever you are, daycare, somebody else's home, that's fine. Wherever that you might find yourself, you're going to find a few things. Ready? So you're going to find something that is soft, something that is hard, something that is smooth, and something that is rough and bumpy. Now, some of those items might have 2 of the properties, right? Yeah, like Mabel, she was smooth and soft. That's okay. And friends, you're gonna take a picture of each object and you are gonna make sure you submit it into Schoology and tell me what that object is. All right, I can't wait to see what you find. Happy hunting!